I would say good morning, but it's definitely afternoon right now. It's like there's like lava around my bed, and if I get out I'm gonna die. So I feel like I need to stay in bed for safety right now. You wanna stay in bed all day? Or what if we just stay in bed? Breakfast in bed and bacon in bed. You want breakfast? You want food? It's the only time I look at the camera is if I mention food. Like right now. Alright guys, I think it's time for me to get out of bed. The only thing that's getting me out of bed right now is coffee. Yes. The Alaska cup. I must have my coffee. Okay, we gotta see your puppy tricks. What are you doing? What are you doing? You ready? Come. No, what are you doing? You're trying to do all your tricks at once? Ouch. Get up. Come on. Crazy dog. Okay, right here. Sit. Shake. Shake. Oh, good boy. Other hand. Shake. Oh, good boy. Lay down. Army cross. Army cross. Army cross. Good boy. Got my coffee. Got some half and half. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna use 2 stevias. This cup is only appropriate because I'm actually going to Alaska. There's a lot going on, guys. So tomorrow is launch day, and it's the launch day for Buffbunny Collection. I am so excited. I've been working so hard on this. I know I've talked about it in a couple of videos, but it's crazy because it's coming to life. So tomorrow's gonna be a very special day. The launch is at 1:00 p.m. Central Standard Time, and Katie, Lexi, Tara, Chris, Kendall, and maybe another friend or two are gonna be coming over. They're all gonna be helping me, and we're gonna be celebrating. I'm probably gonna get some nice overpriced champagne. Thursday, I'm actually gonna be flying out to Alaska to see my family, because I've already gone like once or twice this year, but it was earlier in January time. So I was like, you know what? I gotta go see them again, because I haven't met Jace, Mary's little baby. If you guys remember Mary, she had her baby, and he's adorable. He is seriously the cutest thing. Check out this video. Is he not the fattest, most adorable thing you've ever seen in your life? It's funny because I think my family vlogs are some of my highest engaged videos, because probably my mom. I think it's my mom. Anyway, I'm gonna cook breakfast and get on with my life today. It's 12:30. I got off to a late start today, but I don't feel bad because it's been a real crazy week. Let's get started.
Can we cover?
I'm gonna go ahead and stop what I'm doing and just drink coffee for a little bit. I can move on with my life.
I'm actually gonna grab some. Man, you got a double decker? That's your big break.
I wanna vlog Ben.
To me or not to me?
Alright guys, meet Josh's brother Ben.
Yo,
do they look alike? We're headed to the gym right now. I'm doing shoulders, Josh is doing shoulders. Ben, what are you training?
I'm learning from Josh today.
Learning from Josh.
I'm just seeing what he does.
We're probably all gonna do shoulders. And a little bit of legs.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So I'm wearing the new Buffbunny Collection stuff. This is the crop top, the Buffbunny crop top. Got the logo right there. And these are some pants that are just testers. They did come out a little bit thin, so we're definitely not gonna do this blended material. Thicker, use the same color. We'll see. And I got my rose gold beats on that I just got, and some Converse. Alright, trying to figure out these beats. This button here. Oh, so excited, guys. I haven't had wireless beats in a long time. Oh gosh, mine just popped. Ah, yeah. Got my shaker with my BCAAs in it. Let's do this, guys. I'm all like pinked out today. What's up, YouTube? Got a workout for you. And today's workout, I did shoulders and biceps. Started with some PVC pass-throughs, as you see me doing right there. Great warm-up for the shoulders, increases mobility. Moved on to doing some lateral shoulder raises, followed by some cable external rotations. Also great for increasing mobility in the shoulders. And then I moved on to my actual workout, which was a circuit set between the cable upright rows and the cable bicep curls with the rope. I went between the two of those, a superset between those two, and I did 3 sets of 12 for both exercises. Waited till I was done, and man, one of my favorite supersets is with those two. I definitely feel the burn, feel the pump. Next exercise I did was shoulder press. I did 3 sets of 10 to 12, and I also supersetted those with some seated hammer curls, as you see me doing right here. So I might only be using 15 pounds for both exercises, but when you're doing both of them in conjunction, it makes it way harder. So I don't even feel bad for only doing 15s. Pick a weight that is appropriate for you. You know, if you want to separate shoulder press and bicep curls, you go ahead and do that. But I love circuit setting it because I feel like it's like cardio for my muscles. I feel like I see cuts in my body more, kind of like a fat burning weightlifting session. Took a sip of my BCAAs real quick. I do drink my BCAAs during every workout. The brand I use is 1UP Nutrition, and I do have a discount code in the video description. Takes 20 to 40% off. Moved on to doing front shoulder raises, and I supersetted those with some outer bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps with both of them. And I do not take breaks, guys. I go in between both exercises until all technically 6 rounds, 3 sets of each are completed, and then I'll take about a minute rest, move on to the next superset. Next superset for this one was plate shoulder raises, and I supersetted those with some plate curls. I am using 25 pounds right there, but pick a weight that is appropriate for you. Josh actually came by and tried making it even more difficult for me. And I hit myself in the face with it. Not very hard, thankfully. And that was really the end of my workout. I did do a little ab workout afterwards. I did 4 sets of 10 to 12. I did 4 rounds of these exercises. I did some Swiss ball crunches, followed by the ab rollouts, and then followed by leg raises. I did 10 to 12 reps on each one, did it 4 rounds of each, and it was pretty hard. On the ab rollouts too, there's 2 different variations. If you want to extend your arms all the way, great. It is very difficult. So for a while, I actually kept my forearms on the ab rollout piece of equipment because it took me a while to graduate to doing full extended arms with that. And that is the end of my workout, guys. Quick little shoulder bicep workout followed by an ab workout. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thanks, guys. Alright, guys, current weight is 105.2 without my camera in my hands. Not bad. We're gonna finish. We are at HEB right now, and I'm gonna pick up some champagne for tomorrow. I don't even know where the champagne is. No idea which one to get, because to be honest, I drink whiskey. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. When it comes to drinking alcohol, I really am not a big drinker. But if I do, I usually drink like Crown or Jameson. Kind of a whiskey girl. I think it's the Alaskan in me. The healthier options to drink are probably tequila, if it's 100% made from the agave fruit, and because it gets out of your system faster. Vodka, Whiskey's probably the worst thing to drink because of all the sugars. Yeah, but I still love it. So I usually limit it to like 1 or 2 drinks, and I'll drink it straight. I don't like to mix it. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of Coke or Diet Coke in it, but I do like to drink my whiskey and scotch. God, I drink like an old man. On the rocks or neat by itself in the glass. I don't beat myself up about it because life is short, and if I want to enjoy a glass of whiskey, I'm going to enjoy a glass of whiskey. So, wine is also good. Wine is amazing, and it has antioxidants in it. Is it the best when you're trying to lose weight? No, it is not. So it should be kept to a minimum. Veuve Clicquot. Veuve Clicquot. There's also some Moet. So, I don't know. It's launch day, I'm so excited. I'm sweating and I'm nervous and I'm excited. Anyways, so this is something that we've been working on for a long time. Like a year ago, this was just an idea. I was like, you know, I'd love to come out with clothing, you know, like my own clothing line of items. And actually back then I was just thinking, hey, it'd be cool to come out with a couple different shirts, which I did in February. I came out with some crop tops, some fitted V-necks, and some like loose racerbacks. And it did really well. We sold out of items in like 5 minutes, 15 minutes. We have a lot of items coming out, and every single piece was specifically chosen. It wasn't like, oh yeah, let's just throw that in there. It was like, hey, this piece needs to be brought in on the waist. It needs to be widened at the hips, different fabric blends, all this different stuff. So it's been a crazy, crazy journey. I also got food. Check it out. We got all kinds of healthy snacks. We got a fruit tray, guys. And we got a vegetable tray. And we got cheese that Chris smoked himself.
I know.
Yes, pop.
Every single time.
Don't like that. Come on, Josh, stop it. Okay, let's celebrate. Pop the bottle. How do you pour champagne? Oh, you put strawberry in it too. You're fancy. Thank you guys so much for being here on launch day. This is gonna be crazy. Cheers. What time is it? Oh my god. Okay, game time. 30 minutes. We're good. Are you sweating? Good. Sweating. Babe, you gotta do it? Yeah.
It's actually really good, dude. Yeah.
Oh! Yeah! Is it funny? We can edit this out.
They're not showing it. Oh. Probably because it's everywhere in a lot of traffic. You got this. We're going to Canada.
Oh, we're gonna ship him off. You wanna go? Where is it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? I see it. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sorry, Tara. You can't have any? Katie's gonna indulge. Get in that pizza. Ramsey. I like your sweater though.
Thanks.
There's a double pepperoni.
Wait, you're not allowed to eat any.
I'm showing you that there's double pepperoni.
Oh, double pepperoni on this one?
Oh, you gotta go for the double pepperoni.
Okay, this is,
Yeah, you gotta
yes.
go for the double pepperoni.
Yes. No. No, but seriously, no. Lexi's prepping. If she has it, that's not a good role model for everyone out there.
Pepperoni.
No! Absolutely not. Oh, you're recording. Which one has the most cheese? Have a bite.
You're on camera, Lexi. Oh,
Wow.
She caught you.
That's who's not a role model.
We're just gonna eat more carrots.
Meanwhile, Tara's eating so many carrots. So y'all know how Neuro doesn't like his dog bed. We found someone else that does. Little baby Troy. He's passed out. So I think the Buffbunny Collection Launch has exhausted everyone. That or the pizza.
We had this pregnant hamster in science class last year, and didn't fall and stuck a pencil up her butt and later she hit the baby.
All right, guys, perfect way to end this evening is enjoying this sunset. This is incredible. Gotta think about the little things, you know? Neuro, stop eating the grass. it's not a salad. But I did want to say thank you so much to everyone that placed orders. I appreciate it so much. You do not have to place an order in order to support me and what I do. I really appreciate every single one of you guys, whether you follow me on Instagram, you shoot me an email, that it means so much to me. I had some people, they were like, I'm in college, I'm so sorry, I can't afford to support you. And I'm like, no, like that's not what this is about. Like you don't have to buy anything from me in order to support what I do. Obviously I do appreciate it when you guys place orders, it's amazing. I love all of you guys, whether you buy something or you don't. And I just wanna say thank you guys so much for making this launch incredible. We have like so many orders to fill. I don't even know what to say right now besides thank you guys so much. It's just been an incredible day. We had stuff sell out within an hour and we went 10 times bigger this time around. I will be restocking as soon as possible. There is still some items on there available. And then I also have another sports bra coming out in like 2 to 4 weeks as well. I did have that black and white one that I showed you guys, but unfortunately when it came in, it was like a shade off. It looked fine, like a lot of people didn't even notice when I showed them, but I noticed, and I won't put anything out there that is less than the best quality and exactly what I want. So we are actually gonna donate those sports bras to the women's shelter, and we're getting all new batches made with the right colors and the right shades that I wanted. So I'm gonna close out this vlog. Thank you guys so much. So much. Oh, I'm so out of it. Bye guys. And that concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much as always for watching my videos. Please give them a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to support what I do. Also, I want to apologize for going a little MIA. I am in Alaska at the moment, enjoying family time and just relaxing and not doing anything except answering emails, of course. Definitely stay tuned with what I'm doing on my Instagram. My Instagram is Buffbunny. I do try to post on there at least once a day, so definitely follow me on there, and I will catch up with my YouTube videos. I got a lot of cool family vlogs coming. Thanks for watching, guys.